The 205 Morning Report. First thing when you log into 205morningreport.com, first on the top of the report, you see a picture of the KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 location. So this is a view heading off to my northeast. A lot of little bumps. No huge views from KA1ZE Portable 3. Just a pretty good takeoff in every direction. If you ever get lost on the page and want to go back to the beginning, all you do is put your mouse over the top of this, left click, and you come back. Same thing happens here. I will highlight various people in this section of my report. Buff, WB2SIH rover, and FN33. I thought this snow picture was kind of cool. And now if I left click on that, that does the same thing. Comes right back to the beginning of the report. We have various menu items right on the top. And you have YouTube streaming, something I do. I stream audio and video at times. And when I do that, if you were to press the button, you come to the 205 Morning Group location on YouTube. And it would be a channel that was going at the moment if it was live. If not, history is over here. And you can go back and see all of the live streams that I've made. The activity report is something people have often asked about. That's the little green sheet designed by N5GX. In order to use this, activate it here, go in the My Call position here, just enter your call sign, KA1ZE. Don't enter any portable, like stroke 3, or don't enter anything like that. The report does not recognize that. But if you put KA1ZE in here, hit enter. It immediately drops to the next location in the report where I'm going to put the first station I want to log. It fills in the report for me. I don't have to fill any of this in. I will put down W1RGA in this field. Chris is located in FN41. He's 351 miles away, and antenna heading is 86 degrees. And I will put down N9EGT in this field. And again, the only thing I'm doing is entering the call sign of the station I'm logging here. He's in EN70, 259 degrees bearing, and his distance away is about 370 miles. It happens to total everything here as well. So it totals how far you've made contacts for the day. We'll put W1COT in here. Bob is in FN31, 285 miles away, and I've totaled now 1,000 mile distant. So you can see the advantage of this. You would need to save this report. It does not go to me. It just it just appears on your screen as is. So if you'd like to use this as a log, or if you'd like to send me a copy of it, you would do something like print screen, or use some kind of other program that you can copy what you have on your screen, and then make a copy of it for your own log and save it in a file and send me another copy. And you've got various other interesting items here on the top of the report. We'll look for APRS. There you go. Not too much happening here in this map. And this interesting one here, the ON4KST chat page. This is a chat page that I use regularly. And you have to register to use it. It's no problem registering it. But you put your call sign here. And it'll ask you for a password. If you didn't give it, you'll see what happens. So we'll go down and fill in the password location. and we'll see what's taking place this morning. K8TQK is making some postings here. We'll go back to the report. I'll start to scroll down, and we get to the position of the report entries. Every day I try to list various things. Some people send me things, other things I create from reports. You can highlight it, left click on it again, and it takes you directly to the report. This is a report from Pete. Worked 100,000 miles to Andy in the year 2017. And that is just a report. If you care to, you can leave a comment, post a comment. I will look over here in the right-hand column, recent posts. We see the last 10 reports, I think. When you get finished with that, again, I go back to the top again. I can just left-click on this, and I go back to the top of the page. Now I can see a whole bunch of other items that I've listed. So you have recent posts, you have station activity. If you send me a report, you will get listed in this station activity. KB3TNZ. Brad will show a couple pictures. We'll show activity reports for what Brad worked for a day, what he reported to me. If you report it to me, I will include it. WZ1V has a lot of entries, and they scroll down to the bottom. We'll go all the way back to the beginning of the report again. I'll go to the bottom of the page, and we'll see that we have 259 pages. So if I were to hit the arrow, I continue to go back to other days. Click on Thaddeus's information. It's a report from Wayne at 9EGT. Grandson playing with his Christmas code oscillator. I think we all can relate to some story similar to that. So under station activity again, we'll click and show you what the, we'll show you KA1ZE portable 3. What I've done is I've, using a copy of my rover log program for each day. I'm going to be listing this for each day of the year, and rover log shows me new grids as soon as when something gets read. So yesterday you can see that I worked W1RJA, he was in FN41, and that was a new grid. And 3 Radio Germany, Ray, and FM29, new grid. KB3 Mike Italy, EN92, new grid. And it shows me the number of contacts I've got in my log, 142 contacts for the year. So this is one cool thing going on, I think. I've made a quest to make 10,000 contacts in the year 2018. So on the top of the station activity, you see that quest to 10,000. So far, 31 contacts for 1.5, total of 142. And this last 5-item entry here will show you that the number of contacts I made each day, the total contacts I've made, the baseline. If I were to work 28 contacts a day, I'll get 10,000 contacts for the year. So how am I doing total versus baseline? The difference is shown here. I started out good, I wasn't on, so I got minus. Now I'm back in the good numbers again. And we'll show you a grid map and the day's logging report that I already showed you. 7,500 miles for this day. Go back up to the beginning, hit one of these, go back to the top of the report. That's about it. So I'll try to, if I think of anything else, I'll make another recording.